Okay, I've literally just hit record like within 5 minutes of the Assembly of Champions coming up. Let me just explain something really quickly. I actually liked the idea of the Assembly of Champions, even though I had no intention of running for it. And that's not because I knew I was ineligible to run for it. It was just because that's not something I could be doing. I could not declaw myself by putting myself under hi-rez's thrall. I do what I do best because I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Although it would have been funny to apply just to see how far I'd get just off the power of my infamy. But regardless, the voting's come up and I've just gone through every applicant, every candidate. I clicked through every single one. I read all of them. And I've come to the conclusion that hi-rez are a fucking joke. Like beyond programming, beyond balance. They can't even organize a popularity contest. They have broken their rules several times. Let me demonstrate this for you. Let's read the fucking rules. Okay, here's the bits of the rules that I'm worried about. To qualify for a council member position, you must have excellent English written and communication skills. You go to the website right fucking now, and then scroll down and click the first guy and read it. Just fucking read it. How long have you played Paladins? 1. Biography, playing game. I just want to make it clear, I'm pretty sure they got more applications than this, and they had to reject some, which means this application is not the worst. It's actually not the fucking worst application they have. That actually boggles me. What were other people fucking typing? And you just keep looking through all this shit, and there are several people that either are knowingly taking the piss out of hi-rez by typing bullshit, or who legit cannot communicate properly. And if that's the case, why are they here? Why are either of those people here? Let's move on. The following categories of individuals will not be eligible for these positions. Current or former employees of hi-rez studios. So why the fuck is Pixie Kitty in the fucking runnings? Did I just get it wrong? Is she not? Was she never an employee? Did I transition into another fucking timeline? Why is she there? That is like the most black and white rule you could fucking make, and you still can't follow it. Moving on. Anyone who has been banned from a hi-rez game or received any form of disciplinary action from hi-rez within the last 6 months. So, that rules me out because I got banned in October. But after seeing how so many of these people are clearly not meeting these requirements, it just makes me wonder, maybe I could have applied. Maybe I could have fucking applied because I don't think they would have fucking checked. And I could have won. Hands down, I could have won. I put my vote to anyone who could actually speak English and who I trust, alright? And I do not trust these people who are fucking typing ASD, 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 ASD in the fucking biography. Originally, I just wanted to rig this contest. Like, you know how 4chan, completely rigged a vote to make a new Mountain Dew flavor called Hitler Did Nothing Wrong. Like, I really want to do that. I really, 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 really want to do that. You have no fucking idea how much I want to do it. But there are my friends in this fucking contest, so I can't in all good faith do that. All right? Even though that would be so funny. But regardless, this is a fucking joke. Can you at least follow your own fucking rules for 1 goddamn minute? Dude, I'm trying to help you out. I'm filming the hunter's log. And then you do this. Do you need someone else to spoon feed you too? Do you need someone in the office to fucking recite your terms of service? It's like I gotta tell my bratty kids how to fucking wipe their ass at age 13. Like, this is inexcusable. You can't come up with a defense for this. There is nothing you can say that makes you look good. You have fucked up completely. I'm in the time it took me to record this is taking me like an hour to record just because I keep stumbling over my words and I keep saying things I might regret later. as I fucking say this, there are people going for your throats on Twitter, and it's actually really funny that I don't even have to say anything, and people will call out your bullshit. Like, this is that obvious. You surely had to know before you even launched the voting that one of you in the office, at least one of you, please fucking tell me, at least one of you in the office said, yeah, I think this roster looks a little bad. Should we cull some of them? It's not like we already have 80 applicants. Why are these 9 idiots on here? Why are these people that don't meet the requirements on the list? Look, this video is 6 minutes long. And I need to get it up now. I need to capitalize on this fucking thunderstorm that's happening right now on Twitter. So, please, just, if you're watching this, go to the fucking website and just take a look at every applicant. It doesn't take long if you know the trick. Just click the fucking top left one every time and it'll automatically cycle. That's good quality of life. I'll give them that. Just go read through them. Don't let him get away with this. This is a fucking joke. This is so amateur. I swear to God, like fucking 8th grade school council president elections go smoother than this and look better. Yeah, like, that's it. I'm done. Fuck you, hi-rez. Just fuck you.